Advaiter Prapujita. He is affectionately named Nimai by his mother due to being born under a neem tree, and he has been named Vishwambhar by his grandfather. Who is grandfather of Nimai? Can anybody tell? His grandfather named him Vishwambhar. Who is the grandfather?
Nilam Chakravarti.
Nilambar Chakrabarti. Very nice. Great job on it. He is the only lord of Shrivas, Shrivas Ishwar, and he steals the heart of all the assembled devotees. Bhakta Samuha Chitta Chora. So Nityananda Prabhu, everybody knows, right? Nityayera Pranadhan. Who is Advaita Acharya? Nityananda Prabhu is Lord Balaram, and who is Advaita Acharya? Advaitera Prapuchita. He is Lord Shiva and Lord Mahavishnu and Sadashiv combined.
Oh, not Sadashiv, who is Sadashiv?
Lord
Shiva.
Shiva has different.
Achha. Different.
There are so many Rudras, right? So Lord Shiva, Sadashiv and Mahavishnu combined is Advait Acharya, and Advait Acharya is worshipping Lord Chaitanya. And then the next one is Nimalambar Chakravarti, who is the grandfather of Nimai. And then who is Srinivas? Shrivas Ishwar, Lord of Shrivas. Who is Shrivas Ishwar? Can somebody tell? Who is Shrivas?
Srinivas.
Not Srinivas, Shrivas.
Lord of Srinivas.
Can anybody tell who is
He's
Shrivas?
Narad Muni.
Yes, so Shrivas is actually Narad Muni personified in Kali Yuga. हम कहते हैं ना जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्तवृंद. Shrivas is Shrivasacharya. And who is Shrivasacharya? What role did he play in the pastime of Lord Chaitanya? What was the important role he played? Can anybody tell? What was the role of Shrivas Acharya? Correct. Yes, Natasha Mataji, you're sharing something also?
I couldn't hear Anisha Mataji, but from what I understand, Srivas Acharya and Nityanand Prabhu used to go and spread the name of Harinam. So they were given the duty to spread Harinam to the fallen souls. Is that right, Prabhuji?
So
What did Mataji answer?
Srivas Acharya, his house was the place where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to do kirtan every single night. So first, everybody was doing kirtan in the daytime. Lord Chaitanya and everyone was doing. Then Lord Chaitanya one day said, the whole day we are doing kirtan, but we are wasting the whole night sleeping. What is this? This is not nice. We're wasting time. So we'll do kirtan whole night. So everybody didn't think, "Arey, puri raat abhi jagayenge." He's going to make us stay awake whole night. They didn't think like this. Everybody was very happy. They're like, "Oh yes, Haribol!" Double fun. So if you do kirtan, the more you do kirtan, the more you do not feel tired. This is a secret actually. Only devotees know. Other people don't know. Mundane people, they think, oh, if you do kirtan, you're going to get tired. But actually only devotees know. If you do kirtan, then you get so much spiritual energy, you actually won't. Like for example, some of the yogis, they can generate power and energy without eating food. Have you seen? Sometimes some yogis don't eat for years. They can live like that because they can generate the actually the positive energy without eating. So similarly, spiritual spiritual aspect of the person is what actually helps one to take care of even the material needs, like that. So the whole night they were doing the kirtans, and in whose house were they doing the kirtan? Srivasacharya. So once upon a time, one Brahmin, he wanted to witness this, but this was very private affair. Nobody was allowed there, and only the most intimate associates of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So once this Brahmin, he wanted to join Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastime, and he wanted to hear, he wanted to see, he wanted to witness all the kirtan and ecstasy and everything. And this Brahmin was such an austere Brahmin that the only thing he ate the whole day was, who will tell? Just a small amount of milk. That's it. He was Dugdha Hari. Dugdha Hari. Some people are like that. The only thing they will take is milk. That's it. So he was just practically eating nothing. So he was very austere. And he approached Srinivasacharya. Srinivasacharya first was hesitant, but then, devotees are merciful. So he thought he'll also get blessed. So it's okay. So he made him hide somewhere in the house. And Lord Chaitanya or nobody else could see. So then this Brahmin, he was lying there, hiding there. And what was happening? Everybody was doing the kirtan, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was participating. But within few minutes, Lord Chaitanya said, I'm not getting the ecstasy. Is there anybody here who is not supposed to be here? So Srinivasacharya was not sure what to say. He said, Lord Chaitanya, there are no envious people, there are no non-devotees here. Then they started again the kirtan, but then again he could not. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again said, no, I'm not getting the ecstasy. Is there someone here who's not? So they searched the whole place and they found this Brahman. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chastised this Brahman. And then Srinivasacharya, he was trying to prevent. He said, Mahaprabhu, he only, he's very nice. He drinks only milk. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was even more angry. He said, what do you think? By drinking milk, you can get Krishna? And then everybody was silent. And then he chastised, and this simple Brahman, he went out. And as he was going out, what he was thinking? Can anybody tell what he was thinking? This Brahman, when he was being thrown out.
वो happy होंगे कि देखो कम से कम इन्होंने कुछ तो बोला या चैतन्य महाप्रभु का
Okay.
blessing थी.
Okay, good thought. Anybody else could guess?
एक ये ऑप्शन है, एक और है कि मैं और एडवांस होके फिर आऊंगा.
So you're actually right. So this Brahmin, he was very grateful to Lord Chaitanya. He thought, my Lord let me witness few seconds, but he appropriately dealt with me. He appropriately chastised me. This is what I am, good for. Not even this. I am not good even for this. And he was very grateful to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now, as soon as this Brahman went out, just because of his gratitude, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got pleased. And then he called him back. He told, call him back. And then he came back, and then all of them did the kirtan, and he got to participate in the kirtan of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So this is like this. There are so many pastimes which happened in Srivasangan. Srivasangan is the place which corresponds to dash in Krishna Leela. Which place? Yes. It is the place where Ras Leela takes place, the Ras Mandal. So that is the highest place of exchange of the love with Supreme Lord. And the same thing happening here. And here one can see how is the power and the potency of the holy name is Harinam Sankirtan. That is the power. Okay. So we'll move fast now. I was just.
So, Prabhuji, was this Brahman different from the one that next day confronted Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and
That was
cursed him?
different when he cursed. That was a different one who cursed Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, that time they didn't open the door. They were
Yeah,
so
they
busy
didn't
with
let him in.
Kirtan. Yes, so they didn't open the door. And then next time, and next day, he cursed Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that you will not get any peace staying in your house. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this was his arrangement because he was anyway going to take sannyas. So he had not taken the sannyas, but this is how he took the sannyas. And then there is another similar pastime when Shrivas Acharya's mother-in-law was hiding also in the same place. Anyways, so we'll quickly read the translation so that we can move. Who would like to read third?
I can read, Prabhuji.
Yes, Madhuri.
Lord Chaitanya is the moon over Nadia, Sasadhar, the Lord of Sri Mayapur Dham, Mayapur Ishwar, and the divine propagator of his own name, Nam Parvartana Sura. He is the instructor of the family men, Grihijana Shikshaka, and he is also the hero of those who are in the renounced order, Nyasi Kulnaika. He is the husband of the goddess of fortune, Madhava, and he is overflowing with the ecstatic moods and sentiments of Srimati Radharani, Radha Bhavpura. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Who will read fourth?
Can read. Hello.
Yes, Mataji, please read.
Lord Chaitanya is the corrector and purifier of Sarva Bahubam. Sarva. Okay, is it Sarva Bahubam?
Sarva Bhoma Shodhana.
Sarva Bahubam. Sodhana and the deliverer of King Pratap Parudra.
Gajapati Tarana.
Gajapati Tarana, the source of the nourishment of the Srila Ram Nanda Raya, Ram Nanda Osana, and he is the greatest hero Veera. He increases the ecstasy of Srila
लग जाएगी चोट.
Rupa Goswami
अभी गिरते आप जोर से चोट लगती.
Vardhana, and he is the maintainer and the protector of Srila Sanatana Goswami, Sanatana Palana. He gladness Haridas Thakur, Haridas Mordana.
And he is very grave.
He is very grave. Dheeraj.
Dheera. Thank you, Mata. Okay, who will read fifth? Yes.
Lord Chaitanya is the source of all the transcendental mellows of Vraja Dhama, Vraja Rasa Bhavan. He is the destroyer of all mischievous and wicked mentality, Dusht Atma Satana, and he dissolves the mundane lust of the deceitful, insincere souls by his causeless mercy. Kapati Vightana Kama. He maintains and protects his pure Vaishnava devotees, Shuddha Bhakta Palana, and he chastises dry speculative knowledge, Sushka Jana Tanana. He destroys pretentious and hypocritical devotion. Chala Bhakti Dushana and he is the reservoir of pleasure. Rama. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so we will get started. Can everybody see now the words?
Yes, Prabhuji.